benefit of the doubt of the three who were late. We were like looking for, first of all, wow factor, you know. When you see it was, wow. Like when you see... Like when you see Jen, wow. When you see Holger, wow. O sa kotse, sa likod, ha?
Ito sa parking lot.
No parking. So as promised, we have, for our first prize, the EOS Digital camera strap. I didn't say camera, but I say EOS Digital. Not film-based, okay? This is donated by Ashley Bailey. She owns this one. But we're donating it.
Kasama 70.
Huh? The camera, you have to buy it yourself. Okay. The second prize, we have the chair.
Yan na lang daw eh. Parang mo mananalo ka eh.
Feeling ka, number 1 siya, number 2.
Feeling mo panalo ka.
And then the third prize, we got the bag. Ito bag talaga niya to eh. Napalitan sa kanya ng Lopro.
Hoy, Lopro naman yun sa'yo ah.
Okay. And we'll have additional...
This third and fourth entries pa.
5,000 pesos.
Gusto mo hanggang 15.
Puro strap. Canon.
Strap na naman.
We'll have the Lopro bag tags. Okay. On each. You cannot buy it actually. This is exclusive for... Hindi ko alam, paano kayo lalagay sa gitna? Sabi ko, paano pala? Yung ganun pala, yung pinapasok pala.
Nanlaig ko.
Ito pala. Dati kasi, paano ko ipapasok ito? Tatanggalin ko ito.
Pero pinuha natin